Hey guys, Coach 𝐿𝐼𝐴 here. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to talk about Infinity Processing System and which package is best for you to get started at. So I'm going to go over all three of the packages, what's included, how it can position you to earn, and you can make a decision for yourself. So if at any point you would like to learn more about Infinity Processing System, beneath this video, go ahead and enter your best email so we can get connected and you can learn all about Infinity Processing System and that's that. So let's get right into it. Before I even start, I want to share that with Infinity Processing System, following this six-figure blueprint, I have made over $3,000 with this system. And I just wanted to share that and just kind of show my proof of payment. So here are the multiple $300 payments that I've made passively with this. Like, you know, I promote this very passively using simple YouTube videos, and this doesn't even include my Cash App payments. So that's pretty much that. So let's jump right into the packages so you can see what they're all about. So Infinity Processing System, let me say what it is. Infinity Processing System isn't just a work from home opportunity. It is a training platform, meaning that each one of these packages gives you training knowledge so that you can learn how to be a better affiliate marketer and that you can make consistent income in the online space by applying these strategies. These are the same strategies that you are seeing a lot of beginners win with the Infinity Processing System online, and it's because they're learning the strategies that are in the training, they're applying the strategies that are in the training consistently, and they're able to begin producing commissions. And that's really what it's about, is having a strategy, applying it, getting out of your way, doing it, and starting to build leads, sales, and leads, momentum, and sales. And that's what it's about. All right, so let's go over each one of these packages. The first thing to know is that whatever package you get started at, you're able to earn at that level in any of the packages that are beneath that package. Of course, at the starter level, there's no package beneath this, so the only income you can only earn $50 commissions. Okay, there is a $25 website fee with each one of the packages that covers the cost of your membership area and your website fee. Okay, so that's that, and that's one time. Okay, so that's a great thing. There's no monthly fees, and you can not only earn these commissions by learning to be an affiliate for these product packages, but you can also earn by learning the skill sets and applying them. Okay, so I want to make that clear. So the starter level, the product is actually called Influencer Brand Marketing. Is a training package. It's $50. You are in position to earn $50 commissions. What you're going to get with that $50 starter level package is you're going to get 30 pre-done ads to help you begin marketing. You're going to get a winning mindset formula. You're going to get the art of persuasion and influence. You're going to get a 7-day action plan. So for a lot of affiliate marketers, beginners, they struggle with, what should my daily action plan be to build leads, sales, and momentum? How do I do that? That's what you get with the 7-day action plan. You're going to get a 6-figure closing script. You're going to get a Facebook marketing strategy so that you know how to market on the Facebook platform. You're going to get access to 30 Facebook groups that have high engagement so that you can begin doing Facebook group marketing. You're going to get Craigslist marketing strategy and access to a Facebook support group. So if you have questions, you have somewhere to be plugged in to get support. Okay, so again, that's $50, no monthly fees, and then your one-time $25 admin website fee. Now the next package is the elite level. It's called Internet Automation Secrets. This is a $150 one-time and a $25 admin website fee. What you're gonna get at this level is the ability to make $150 and $50 commissions as an affiliate for that product package. That product package includes 100 pre-written ads, 40 bonus image ads, of course the winning mindset formula, which really just helps break down what do you need to know, how do you get your mind right to begin making money. Most people, they can't get past the mindset part to even begin making money because of all these doubts and all these things like that, and you got to get past that to get out of your way to be able to start making money online. So she goes over a winning mindset formula. She goes over the art of persuasion and influence. You're going to get access to a 7-day action plan. All the things that I talked about over here, you'll get access to all that. Now the difference is at the $150 level. Here's what I want you to understand. You get one an additional product that are 3 additional products that on top of the what you get at the $50 level that will totally rock your world. One is YouTube Mastery. I talked about how I've made these $3,000 or 3,000 commissions with Affinity Processing System and other affiliate programs pretty passively, and it's from using YouTube. You're going to get her step-by-step strategy on how she has used YouTube to make hundreds of thousands of dollars. Okay, if you had to pay for that course by itself, you'd be paying $1,000 or more. Okay, you're going to get access to that in Affinity Processing System at that level. Okay, you're also going to get access to Instagram marketing strategy. So if you wanted to also be marketing on Instagram, you would be able to do that. Okay, you're also going to learn how to create your 6-figure sales funnel. Okay, so one of the things that has helped me a lot as an affiliate marketer, and I love the way that this is an Affinity Processing System, is she gives you the follow-up sequence. So and shows you how to set up a sales funnel so that you can, you know, people always talk about automation, but creating a sales funnel and YouTube together is one of the beginnings of creating automation in your business. She shows you how to pair those together and how to do it so that you have automation and you can follow up with your leads and close more sales. Okay, now most people will position themselves at the pro level. Most of the people who you see getting great results, they're at the pro level. One, because it allows you to earn $300 commissions, $150 commissions, and $50 commissions. For those people who say that they want to make 6 figures, one $300 sale a day is 6 figures. Okay, so I want you to keep that in mind. So a lot of times when people say, I want to make 6 figures, or I want to make $100,000 a year, I want to make $50,000 a year, a lot of times the things that they choose to promote don't match up with what they say they want to earn. Okay, so I hope that makes sense. So the product at the $300 pro level is called the 6-figure blueprint, and it's called that for a reason because the creator of the program, Adriana, who's a multiple 6-figure earner, she has laid out all her secrets of how she earned those multiple 6 figures using social media and the internet. Okay, so she shares all her secrets in this at this level, which is called the pro level 6-figure blueprint. Okay, now to get started, it's only $300 for that product package, and then there's a $25 admin website fee. Okay, there's no monthly fee, so $325, no monthly fees. What you're going to get at that level product package is you're going to get the ability to earn $300, $150, and $50 commissions. But again, the money is in the skill set, so let's talk about that part. Okay, so these skill sets, what you're going to get is you're going to get 200 pre-rent ads and bonus image ads, so that you could begin to get out there and market your business using pre-rent ads. You're going to get the winning mindset formula, the art of persuasion. I'm going to kind of go through the 7-day action plan so you know what to do on a daily basis. But let's get into these high value things that you get access to, and these are things that I recommend. One, you're going to get access to a 6-figure closing script. Okay, you don't know why that's important. A lot of times when people reach out for information as a beginner, you're like, well, what do I say to that person? Well, she walks you through step by step what to say and how to close more sales. Okay, you're also going to get access to the Facebook marketing strategy, so you know how to get leads and sales and build authority on Facebook. You're going to get access to 100 Facebook groups where you can begin marketing. These are high engagement groups. She's going to give them to you. You're going to get access to Craigslist marketing strategy, Facebook support group, again, YouTube Mastery, where you can make thousands of dollars online, whether or not you want to show your face or not. Again, you know, you can use Screencast-O-Matic and do simple slides or even a Word doc and just share the information without showing your face and kind of talk over the video. These are called like voiceovers. You can do that as well. Of course, you know, I would say get out there and show your face. It builds no like and trust. It helps build your brand. She talks about all that in YouTube Mastery as well. Okay, you're going to get access to the Instagram marketing strategy. You're going to learn how to create your 6-figure sales funnel. And these things down here separate this package from all the other packages. You're going to get access to 30 emails, follow-ups, where she helps you set up your autoresponder so you have 30 days of follow-ups with your list. Okay, once you learn that skill set, you can also apply it to other things that you promote as well. So I think that learning how to create a powerful funnel is a foundational affiliate skill set, and she goes over that in Affinity Processing System. Okay, You're going to get access to TikTok marketing strategy if you wanted to start marketing on TikTok as well. You don't have to market on all these platforms. I just want to be clear. She gives you access to all of these platforms that you can market on, but you do not have to market on all of them. I would pick 2 and rock it out, because these are essentially mini courses in each one of these packages. You're going to get access to a VIP training live chat where, you know, leaders are sharing their strategies, exclusive live trainings. You're going to get a VIP vacation voucher. You're going to get access to a hotel. And these are more for you. These are bonuses for you, things like that. But the money is in the strategies. Okay, so if you are ready to get started, you can get started via Stripe, Cash App, or Zelle. My link will be beneath this video. I do give access to my strategies for those who are ready to put themselves in position to get started. And that's that. Smash the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video. Reach out with any questions. Bye, guys.